Hello everyone, my name is Chef April and today we will be making banana bread. So let's get started with step 1. Peel and mash your bananas into a large bowl. Step 2. Now add in your melted butter and mix this together with an electric mixer until fully combined. Step 3. Now add in your baking soda, salt, and sugar. Then mix it all together. Step 4. Now add in your egg and mix together. Once this is mixed together, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. Step 5. Now sift in your flour and mix it all together. Step 6. Time for baking! So prepare your baking pan, then pour in your banana bread batter. Now bake this in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And there you have it! Moist, delicious banana bread. I hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all soon. Goodbye.